Hello and welcome, everyone. You've reached Maddie Kuhn, your homemade method coach, and I'm joined here today by Terry, one of our members. Say hi, Terry.
Hello.
Yay! Thank you so much for joining us today. Terry joined us back in March of this year. She's been with us for about 6 to 7 months now, and she's seen amazing results with her blood sugars. But we're going to dive in first and talk a little bit about what life was like before you joined the homemade method. Please share.
Yes, not a problem. It was pretty bland. Um, Nothing was really going well. I had a lot of family medical issues going on, so I was traveling a lot. At pre-COVID and COVID, I was diagnosed with diabetes, and I was like, "Oh no, we're not going to have that for a while." So I did a wonderful melange of things to just help myself. I did keto for about a month, tried to throw in veggies, different things, Mediterranean. My mom at the time was a registered dietitian, so she gave me ideas. We went walking. Everything was going really well, and I really did beat it in a nice amount of time. I can't remember the months, but after that, it was just like the health issues from my mom, my brother, and my sister just went all out. They all had cancer. So I'm going back
Oh,
and forth
dear.
traveling and I'm doing well, so I think. But as each one would pass and I got a chance to just take time out for myself, I was like, let's make some appointments. Went to the doctor. He came back in there and he was like, we need to do something right now. And I'm
Yeah.
thinking, what are we doing? And my A1c was at 14. My glucose, amazingly, that I was not hospitalized, was like 352, 362.
That's so
I didn't even
sweet.
know how that even happened. No effects on my body.
Yeah.
But I knew I needed to do something because I went to the garage just to cry it out. And during those times where I really couldn't sleep, and that's the only time I really do social media. I'm just scrolling, and I saw Anna, and I was like, let's see what's that about.
Yeah, and you had
Okay,
this like previous like introduction or whatever through your mom being a dietitian. You
yes,
had this introduction to being like food can help you out of this, and you
hmm
were able to do it before. So that's an incredible thing to have in your corner. Although like difficult, once she's gone to feel like,
yeah,
where's my support? Like, how do I do this by myself?
right.
Yeah, I'm so happy you found us.
I am, I
Yeah,
am,
so
and I'm really
tell
not
us.
by myself either, because the group is
Yeah.
so nice.
Yeah, well, I'm so proud of you. You were advocated for your health and you were like, well, I want to do this naturally. You had mentioned to me previous to recording that you had tried metformin and it did not agree with you.
At all.
Yeah, like had terror. I know so many people suffer with that kind of medication on board. It just like really messes with your gut in particular. So
Hmm.
I'm so happy that you were able to stop it and like safely enter some new healthy habits. Let's talk a little
Yes.
bit about the results you've got. I'd love to hear about them.
Oh, that was wonderful. Now, all those bad numbers were like early January, early February. And then I went back, and I want to say it was May, June is the best recollection. I'm horrible in remembering things, but I know it wasn't that far long. And we brought the A1c down to 10.5 from 14.
That's a huge
And
reduction.
then the glucose from that horrible 3-digit number down to, and I had to pull it up on my screen over here, it was 57.
Whoa.
So we did a complete turnaround as far as all the numbers that were in there. So I was grateful. And he was
Yeah.
just like, whatever you're doing, keep going. And I was
Yeah.
like, yeah. So I have another appointment in November, but I have a different doctor to go to. But I'm still going to try to go back in November and see if I even turn the A1c down even more,
I bet.
because it's
I bet.
so wonderful just doing the recipes and I feel good.
And you love to cook, you love to garden. You were just
Yeah.
telling me all about your beautiful garden and the like gorgeous produce that you grow for yourself. Tell us a
Mhm.
little bit about what kind of food that you're cooking here. Like what's some of your favorite stuff that you
I
cook?
will tell you, I had to put down my top five, because my son will even eat it. I mean, he loves chicken, so anything chicken is good for him. But our main jam is the chicken sheet pan shawarma,
Mm.
and just recently for this month being plant-based, the chickpea shawarma was really good. I tried that last night. And so
Yay.
I'll just throw that in my little repertoire of doing that particular meal. I'm also really hooked on the joint loving gold smoothie.
Mm.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I know it's breakfast, but it is good. Um, Also, I really like the different chicken and salmon salads that they had
Yes.
because you can just get the can, or if you have it fresh, bake it up and make some real good on the go foods. And my
Yes.
very favorite right now, I know I'm probably going to turn into kale because of this month, is the kale apple pecan salad. It is so good.
It is so good. I
It
agree.
is so good. I want to eat it every day. I'm out of kale right now. I got to go get some more.
Yeah. Oh, I love hearing that. That's so sweet that like you're gonna turn into kale. That cracked me up. It's so sweet. I love that you're taking such good care of yourself
Yeah.
after a really rough bout. Like traveling to see family that is sick in different locations is not only
Mhm.
stressful on your heart, but like your body. It
Yeah.
is really brutal, and you're taking really good care of yourself now. I'm really proud of you.
I am. I did a very good investment. And anytime somebody's
Yes.
asking me, well, what, I mean, you look good, you just bright,
Look
it's because
amazing.
the investment is worth it. It's
Yes.
not a lot, but it's a lot to me because of the group. And I even watch the prep videos now. At first, I wasn't, but now I'm into it. So I'm just like, okay, I can do that.
Oh.
One day I'll cook with her at the same time, but my schedule is horrible. But I really enjoy the camaraderie of the Facebook group, as well
Mm.
as all the tips and things that we get from having this whole mindset of I can do me and I can do me with good foods and not the sick care system.
Yeah. You're not covering up you're not covering up the issue. You're healing
No,
the root cause, and that's making you feel so much better.
it
Have,
is
have you noticed that your like energy levels are better?
a lot. I am not going to sleep like at 6 o'clock, which was not right for me.
Yeah.
Um, Having a teenager, you got to be able to move and go and not say, well, son, I can't go today. So
Yeah.
I love that part. I can go out and be in the garden for a longer period of time without just crashing. So I love it. It's good.
That's awesome. Yes, we want to help you heal your body so you can do the things you love to do. That's
Yes,
like, life is it's so important to be able to do the things that bring you joy.
it does.
And you can only do that when you're well. But you've done an amazing job. We're so
Thank
proud
you.
of you. I love seeing your posts as you're like check in, you're like, look what I did. And
Yes,
I can tell you feel so proud of yourself, which is important. You got to be able to celebrate these wins. Like even the small ones. I will say like
yes,
dropping your A1c by like more than 4 points is very impressive in that amount of time.
yeah,
And I'm hyped to see what it comes up next month. I'm really excited to see, your progress. I think that
exactly.
yeah, you're taking such good care of yourself. You're fueling up with like very balanced, delicious meals, so many vegetables. It's incredible.
It is, and I take them everywhere. Some of my friends they kind of giggle because I'll have some type of um to go, not to go, but some small dish, or now that they have these little compostable bags that you can carry and put in my bag or something. And I was like, okay, this is a good meal. And it really is that I pick, but I'm addicted to those peppers. So I'll have like some sliced or diced peppers
I
that
love
are with
it.
me or something that I enjoy to add to the meal
Yeah.
and still know when I'm full. Most of the time, I'm always taking half my meal. That's my practice anyway. As soon as I
Yeah.
go somewhere, hey, can I have a to go? When I order and I need a to go box or something to go. And
Hmm.
that way I just know my cutoff, even if I
Yeah.
just want to go all in and it's not a big meal, I just do a half anyway.
Yeah. That's great. You're doing amazing. I'm so
I
proud of
thank
you.
you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time today. It's so lovely
Yes.
to just hear a little bit about your story. It's always wonderful to put a name to a face, like after, interacting with folks in the
Mm-hmm.
program. And yeah, it's just so inspiring.
Thank you.
All right. We're gonna give us call it a day. Thank you.
Okay. All right.